Yahoo! Pasyal tayo dito sa San Joseph, guys. After the winter warning storm. Let's go to San Joseph. What's it look like? This vlog is for everyone. Let's go. Bye-bye. Let's go. Bye-bye. Another day, another vlog. All right, let's go. Look at this. Yahoo! It's a mountain. Yahoo! Hello everyone! I will survive! I will survive! Hi! Another day, another vlog! Hello storm! After the 3 days storm, 3 days now. Yeah. This is the result of a lot of snow. 90 centimeter of snow. Twice the storm, guys. It did twice. The first time it's 40 and then the second time is 50 centimeters. So total is 90 centimeter. Hello vlog. Yahoo! Wow. If you can see, all my vlog is all about a snow storm. A lot. Unbelievable. Yahoo! Let's go over there. Here you go. We're in the hill now. All right. Yee-hoo. Walk. Let's go visit St. Joseph after storm. Yee-hoo. Sunny, but it's so cold. Sunny. Very cold. Alright. It's not busy today, guys, because this hour is everyone is at work. Everyone is eating lunchtime. Hello, St. Joseph. Look at that. Look at the St. Joseph. It's a nice blue sky. Oh my gosh. Nasa taas na ako, guys. Kaya naghihingal na ako. Yahoo! Oh, I need to scream, I need to shout, nobody will hear it. Yee-hoo! Alright. Hello again. Yes. I'm the great pretender. Ayun, guys. Di na tayo pupunta sa taas, medyo maraming snow doon. Baka walang exitan doon. Dito lang ang parkingan. Let's go down now. Let's go down. Alright. Ayan. Doon tayo sa baba. Ayun. Ito yung dating daanan noon, guys. Yung hindi pa ginawa ito. Ito, rough road pa lang siya na maraming kahoy dyan. Ayan. Alright. Nasa bangin na tayo, guys. Bangin. Bangin po to. Kasi bundok ito sa malaking church. Tourist church. Tourist spot. Beautiful blue sky. Doon tayo galing, guys. Alright. Let's go. Continue walking. Ayun na San Joseph po. Nasa baba na po ako. Alright. Very nice That's the view now. Nandito na ako sa baba. After the storm, twice storm here in Montreal, about 90 centimeter. This the storm. This the storm. After the storm, look at that. A lot of snow. Look at this. Yahoo! Nandun ako kanina doon sa dulo. Doon ako kanina, yun doon. Lakad lang ako pababa sa kalsada, yun, paikot, ikot. Hello, St. Joseph. Kumusta ka na? How's your twice storm today? Yay! Hi! Thank you for watching, everyone. This is the view of St. Joseph down the road. Yahoo! Yahoo! Look at this. Look at that. Tons of snow over here. Yahoo! This from the I think from the parking here. They clean it and they put it here. Everything in here. Yeah. See how the Carabao how the Carabao batutin. how the Carabao batutin. Aling gawa siyak ni Amerika. Ayan, di ba? Bagong renovation ito, guys, St. Joseph. It's done now. It's done. Tapos na po. Tapos na. Finally, after COVID, they started renovation, everything, garden, building. Yeah, this one, the main renovation, this one. Last time, wala yan. Past 3 years, 4 years, wala yan noon. Wow, cost 30 million. Nandun sa harapan na yun. Cost of 30 million, the renovation, guys, see? Oh, wow. 30 million and 8. Grabe. Kasi hill ito, guys. Mataas talaga, so too much bundok, ibok. Ito parking is not like this before. May building dito tinanggal, old building tinanggal siya, ginawang parkingan nila kasi may mga electric charger na mga wow, BMW. Sana all. Ayan, mga snow. Saan tayo lulusot ngayon? Nasaan ang lusutan? Let's go up a little bit. Doon tayo sa taas. Eto na po tayo. Let's go sa 30 million. 30 million. Ayun. Pwede na ata dumaan doon. Sa kuweba. Ayun, mga workers, guys, nagpapala. Daanan kasi yan ang pataas doon. Oh, wow. Yehoo! Yun nga. Open na siya, guys, oh. Di ba ako nakapunta dyan? Let's go. Check natin. Kaya pala wala nang... Ayan, ang daming snow. Yun, dito muna tayo. Yehoo! Hala! Ay! After the storm, oh boy! It's nice. St. Joseph. Yehoo! St. Joseph. Yahoo! Workers, guys. It's a lady. They're digging. Papala sila. They're helping each other. Marami pa naman. Dalawang hagdan. Kabilaan. Sige, dig. This hagdan, guys. Stair. Look at this nice view, all white. Oh. Guys, pasensya na, natumba. Biglang humangin. Papasok tayo dito. Pasensya na po, natumba. Mahangin kasi. Let's go. First time ko pumasok po dito. Bagong gawa ito. Look, our mirrors. Tignan niyo mga bato. Ayun, bienvenido, welcome. Yeah, let's go inside. Snowman. Oh, first time ko pumasok. Ayan na, snow nagmemel, ano na. Isa icy. Oh. Hala. Hala. Hala, ice o talaga, oh. Ice o, guys. Madulas ako dyan. Ayun, oh. Hala, ice, oh. Hala, ano na ako. Ay. Hala, nag-ice na. So cute. Wow, very nice. Woohoo! Open sesame. Wow, so nice. Look guys, so nice. My first time. Yeah. Very nice. Wow. Cool. That's outside view. Oh, wow. Sana all. Woohoo! Wow, ang ganda. May flag. Canada flag. Yehoo! Nandito na tayo. Yes. Yehoo! Wow, very nice. It's my first time, guys. My first time. Butik. Ayan na yung ano, oh, bagong store. Souvenir store. Wow. Ah, cafeteria. Wow, very nice. Yehoo, very nice cafeteria. Wow. Wow. New renovation. Wow, tapos na. Very nice. Look, galing tayo doon sa baba. Wow, very nice. Love it. Very nice. Love it. Very nice. Yoo-hoo. Laki, oh. Wow. Ito siya yung nag-founder dito, guys. Yung chapel na maliit, tapos yung malaking church. Yan nag-founder. Father Andre. Let's go. One more escalator, guys. Dami escalator. Oh. 7th floor na ata tayo. It's my first time. Wow. Wow, very nice. Very nice. Daming halaman. Yay, daming halaman. Oh, wow. Daming halaman. Sana all. Dito nun, guys,